Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16.3 developer beta if it is not showing on iPhone. So let's get started without wasting time. First of all, open up Safari and then search for beta profile.dev and then tap on install profile, as you can see guys, and then tap on install and then tap on allow. Tap on close it and then go back, open up settings app and then tap on download profile. Tap on install, give your passcode, tap on install, again tap on install, tap on not now, tap on down, close this page and then tap on settings, scroll down, tap on general and then tap on software update. As you can see that it's iOS 16.3 developer beta and download install. So this is it for today's video. If the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any problem, tell me in the comment. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.